Hello and welcome all to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to study Rolle's theorem. If we have a function f of x which satisfy three conditions, which are f of x is continuous in an closed interval ab, f of x is differentiable in open interval ab, and f of a is equals to f of b. If all these three conditions are satisfied for a function, then Rolle's theorem states that there exists at least one value c which belongs to this open interval ab such that the derivative of this function at that point c is equals to 0, that is f dash of c is equals to 0. So Rolle's theorem states that there is at least one point c in this interval ab such that f dash of c is equals to 0. Now we will see what is the geometrical interpretation of the Rolle's theorem. If we have a function that is continuous in AB, so it should be smooth enough and without break. It should be smooth and without break. Because it is continuous, so it should be without break, and it is differentiable, so it should be smooth. Also, f of a is equals to f of b. This is f of a, so this point is f of a, and this is f of a, and this is f of b. So f of a is equals to f of b, means the function value at the point a should be equal to the function value at the point b. Now this Rolle's theorem states that there is at least one point which belongs to open interval ab, means there is at least one point c at which the derivative of the function is equals to 0. We know that the derivative of the function is the slope of the tangent at that point. So derivative of that point is the slope of the tangent at that point. So f dash of c is equals to 0 means the derivative is equals to 0, means at that point c the slope of the tangent is equals to 0. We can see that here the slope of the tangent is equals to 0. The slope of the tangent is equals to 0 means the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So this point is C. So this Rolle's theorem gives us the guarantee that there is at least one point C where the slope of the tangent is equals to 0, provided all these three conditions are satisfied for the Rolle's theorem. Now we will verify Rolle's theorem for a function given as f of x is equals to x into x minus 2 into e raised to 3x upon 4, and the interval given is 0 to 2. So we have to verify Rolle's theorem, means we have to check if all the three conditions are satisfied, whether there is one point belonging to this interval at that point the derivative is 0. So first of all we observe that f of 0 is equals to f of 2, which is equals to 0. The third point of the function is, the third point of the Rolle's theorem is satisfied. We also observe that the function f of x is continuous and different as well as differentiable in the interval 0 to 2. Therefore, by Rolle's theorem, there exists a point C such that f dash of C is equals to 0. Now, f dash of x is equals to, we differentiate this function with respect to x. So, when differentiating, we observe that we have to use the product rule of three functions. So, we get x minus 2 into e raised to 3x upon 4 plus x into e raised to 3x upon 4 plus 3 by 4 x into x minus 2 into e raised to 3x upon 4. Now this is equals to, we take e raised to 3x upon 4 common and we will remain with x minus 2 plus x plus 3 upon 4x plus x minus 2. Now if this f dash of x is equals to 0, means this bracket is equals to 0 because exponential function is never 0. So this bracket is equals to 0 implies, this implies x minus 2 plus x plus 3 upon 4 x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now if we just solve this, we get a quadratic equation 3x square plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Just we have solved this and we get a quadratic equation, this is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in x. After solving this quadratic equation in x, we get x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to 8 upon 6. We observe that x is equals to minus 2 does not belongs to this interval, open interval 0 to 2, but x is equals to 8 upon 6 belongs to this interval 0 to 2. So x is equals to 8 upon 6 belongs to open interval 0 comma 2. So we can take, c is equals to 8 upon 6. So for this value c is equals to 8 upon 6, the function has derivative at this point. So we can observe or we can verify that this point belongs to this open interval 0 comma 2. So we have verified the Rolle's theorem for this function. Similarly, we can verify Rolle's theorem for any given function which satisfy these three conditions. The function first should be continuous in the open interval AB, differentiable in continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, and f of A is equals to f of B. Thank you.